Hi, and welcome back to the UberAgent UXM Fundamentals course. In today's video, you'll learn how to install browser extensions. Browsers are very closed systems. It's nearly impossible to get information about websites from the outside. Of course, UberAgent is able to tell you that the application Google Chrome is eating all your RAM, but if you want to see performance metrics like page load time per website, you need to sit inside the browser. That's why we have developed browser extensions for all major browsers. While browsing through the dashboards, you may have noticed that the browser web app performance and usage dashboards stayed empty. After installing the browser extensions, these dashboards are filled with data. If you don't install the extensions, these dashboards stay empty. We demonstrate the installation using Google Chrome as an example. The installation for other browsers like Firefox or the new Microsoft Edge is very similar. Head over to our documentation for details, link in the description. To enable data collection from Chrome, make sure UberAgent's Browser Performance Chrome metric is enabled in the configuration. In the default configuration, Browser Performance Chrome is enabled. The extension is available from two different channels, Release and Beta. The Release channel gets only fully tested versions of the extension, while the Beta channel additionally gets beta quality versions. We recommend putting the majority of users on the Release channel and a small minority on the Beta channel. Browse to the Chrome Web Store and search for UberAgent. Click on Add and Add Extension. The UberAgent icon in the menu bar indicates that the installation was successful. The browser web app performance and usage dashboards are now filled with data. Let's test it by browsing to uberagent.com. Go to the web app performance dashboard and refresh the page. There it is. Deployment of UberAgent's Chrome extension in an enterprise is easily achievable with group policy. Instructions are available in our documentation, link in the description.